folks, it's Philip again from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our 44-foot Lancer, and I want to do one final video here, an engine room compartment video, and show you how that operates. It's got a lift on it. See, raise right there. So here we go. We're going to raise that lift. Hold on a second. Let me flip that carpet back for you. Just wait 1 second. This is a cool feature on this boat. Don't see it on all of them. Open that up. There's the blue Perkins diesel there. There's the Northern Lights generator for you. The owners have been real particular about maintenance on it. They've tried to stay on top of it over the 30 years of ownership, and the engine room shows very well. Look at how nice that opens. It also has a couple of straps that if you want to, for safety purposes, if you so choose, you can hook on that strap, and then there's another one up on the wall there. And then this one here, I believe this folds up out of the way if you so choose. I didn't really do that right, but so quick look. There's the engine room compartment. 8D battery there, an additional start battery. You can see the transmissions nicely. Transmissions were replaced both in 2014 with not a lot of use on them. They haven't used the boat that much in the last number of years. Other hobbies have taken away, and they've decided that's time for it to sell. There's the Northern Lights generator. I will disclose that the generator does start and run, but is in need of an exhaust elbow. The owners are reluctant to replace it at this moment. Just how it is, but it does run. It can be demonstrated, but it will need an exhaust elbow on it. These engines are in great running shape. They look nice and clean. I just want to show you the compartment in a video. PacificCoastYachtSales.com, 604-708-1980. Give me a call. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again.